Are you ready to start a career as an insurance adjuster in Texas? Your first step is obtaining your Texas adjuster license. But where do you start? Before you dive in, you need to meet the prerequisites. You must be at least 18 years old, have a high school diploma or equivalent, and complete a state-approved pre-licensing course. Choosing a reputable academy like Texas Insurance Training Academy sets you up for success and ensures you're well prepared for the licensing exams. So, what exactly is a Texas adjuster license? This license lets you work as an insurance adjuster in Texas, handling claims and settlements for insurance companies. Whether you want to work independently for an insurance company or even respond to catastrophe claims, this license is essential. Plus, having it increases your job opportunities, earning potential, and career flexibility. Who benefits from getting licensed? Anyone looking to work as a staff adjuster, independent adjuster, or catastrophe adjuster in Texas. With over 10,000 licensed adjusters in the state and growing demand in the insurance industry, becoming licensed gives you access to a community of professionals and a career in high demand. Let's talk about the steps to secure your license. First, meet the prerequisites. Be 18, have a high school diploma or equivalent, provide proof of Texas residency, and pass a background check. Next, complete your pre-license education, a minimum of 30 hours covering insurance laws, ethics, and claims adjusting principles. This training prepares you for the licensing exam and your career ahead. Now comes the exam. The Texas Adjuster License Exam has 150 multiple choice questions covering everything from insurance laws to ethics and claims procedures. You'll need a score of at least 70% to pass. Preparation is key. Review study guides, take practice exams, and consider online resources or prep courses offered by the Texas Insurance Training Academy. This will increase your chances of passing on the first try. Choosing the right course is crucial. Look for programs that offer flexible schedules, engaging content, instructor support, and practice exams. Some courses even let you learn at your own pace, perfect if you're balancing work or family commitments. Texas Insurance Training Academy provides a fast-track program so you can complete your training efficiently and start your career sooner. Why choose Texas Insurance Training Academy? Their curriculum is industry-approved and trusted, giving you real-world knowledge and practical skills to excel as an adjuster. Plus, with accelerated course structures, you can study at your own pace, track your progress, and stay motivated while preparing for the licensing exam. Preparing for the exam isn't just about studying, it's about strategy. Use techniques like active recall, spaced repetition, and timed practice exams to strengthen your knowledge. Instructor guidance, peer discussions, and online study resources can also help clarify concepts and boost your confidence on exam day. Getting your license opens doors to exciting career opportunities. Work as a staff adjuster, start your own independent adjusting firm, or specialize in property, liability, or workers' compensation claims. With experience, you can earn $50,000 to over $100,000 annually. Your Texas adjuster license is the foundation for a rewarding and flexible career. Partnering with the right training academy can make all the difference. Texas Insurance Training Academy offers comprehensive support, real-world curriculum, and practical tools to ensure your success. From pre-license education to exam preparation, they guide you every step of the way so you can achieve your career goals quickly and efficiently. In summary, obtaining your Texas adjuster license requires meeting prerequisites, completing pre-license coursework, passing the exam, and choosing a trusted training program. With the right preparation, support, and fast-track training, you'll be ready to start your career as a licensed insurance adjuster and enjoy the benefits of increased opportunities and earning potential. So if you're ready to accelerate your career and become a licensed Texas adjuster, start your journey today with Texas Insurance Training Academy. Visit them at 800 West Airport Freeway, number 610, Irving, Texas, or check out their website for fast-track programs, study resources, and expert guidance. Your career as a licensed insurance adjuster in Texas starts now.